music too loud? Sorry. Let me turn it down. Hopefully that's okay. We'll still try to come. I literally just don't know what Ice's energy levels are like, and I don't know how long it's gonna take me to look at everything else. There's like 3 or 4 different realms that I'm managing. What am I typing in? Okay, so there's technically 10 new items because the Whimsy Witch is not part of it. 10 new items. Should I like put the date or something? I don't know. Maybe this is fine, and then I'll just like make it more Halloween colored. And then rotate it a little bit. This is what I mean by this is the very last thing I always do, and so I am like always rushing to launch something, so I just try to like change the shop really fast. That's too crooked. And to be like, okay, that's good, that's fine, that works. So let me disable it and copy it back into the game. That's why it's always a mess. I need to copy the collection script. Annoying. Which one did I do? I have to select all of this. Collection script. And then compare with server. Yeah, it was literally just this change, so I'm going to discard the draft. Close that. We don't need that anymore. And then copy this back. Paste that in. Delete that one. Press play. Thank you, Neo. Can you get a sneak peek of the campsite? I think I closed it. And wait, no, you quit. Yay, thank you. I fixed all of this stuff. Whoa, this is so cute, I love it. Shopping. We'll go to the shoes, and then we'll type it in, and there it is. I fixed it. Thank goodness. Alright, and then, so 10 new items. Make sure that that text label is not blocking the button from functioning. It looks like it is. So let me mark that off my list, and then we will do the update log and be like, help me. No. 10 new items. What is this song? Skip it. 10 new items, and then I have to list all of them individually. Why did you do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and then just 2 more, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then Siren Candy Bag 2025. Let me move this over. Quickly go. Alter Ego. What? Boots. Princess Spire Veil Hat. Princess Spire Veil Hat. 2 items. 9 new candy rewards. Plus boots. Diamond boots. I don't know how to, like, you know. I don't know what to say for that. And then Duchess Spire Veil Hat. Is that how you spell Duchess? Duchess. I guess so. Yeah, it looks right. Duchess Spire Veil Hat. I want to like put a Dutch like that, like with a T, but I guess not. Spire Veil Hat. Is Nick in here? Hi, Nick. Jack. What is it? Head? Yeah. And then caddy glasses. I like how that sounds out loud. Caddy glasses. Distinguished Doctor hat. It was really silly. Oh gosh, distinguished. Is that how you spell that? Distinguished Doctor hat. I'm not trying that again. I'm gonna copy paste that this time. And then Doctor mask. Grungy gas. Clear. That's so hard to say. What the heck? Grungy gas glaring. What's the last word? Goggles. It looks nice, like staring at it, and then it's like a tongue twister. Grungy, gas, muffs, and mask. Is it an and sign? It's not. And. Plus a bonus accessory in one of the chests. You guys know, but no one else is supposed to know. This, wait, what's spelled wrong? The deodorant quest? Oh, I'm pretty sure I can't change it, otherwise it's gonna break data, unfortunately. Unless we like make something complicated for a fix, and I just don't think it's worth it, unfortunately. Let me back up again. Get the name of this song. Enough is Enough. It's a Monster Cat release. It's Puppet and Cormac featuring Richard Caddock. I don't like this song. I'm gonna go next one. I mean, not that last one. Yeah, please don't tell about the prize. Alright, put new items in the update log. Done and done. Update log is not packaged anymore. I am not messing with that. I don't know what these numbers are. I'm gonna delete that. Teleport to Blackwood. Test the Whimsy Witch sleeves in the treasure chest. I think now would be an excellent time to start going through these packages. So I really want to get this all finalized. So that is fine. Alright. So modules has some changes. Locker models, but I'm pretty sure that's just a glitch, so I'm gonna undo it. That's fine. I need to get RH3 tools from Luna Lagoon because the mermaid transformation necklace only works there. So also I had to make sure that Ironclaw didn't work on the tea set yet, otherwise I would accidentally overwrite it and that would be sad. I guess I can just manually import the necklace by itself. Fire element bug? I have no idea what that is. I know the music is probably too loud, but I'm rocking out. Okay. Mermaid transformation. It is Lose It All by Danny Olson and Sinmata. I have no idea. I never pay attention to names ever. I just let YouTube do its thing. Okay, mermaid transformation necklace. There we go. So that should, I'm gonna copy from this version and port it to all realms so that the necklace will be fixed. And then let's go back to fixing package links. So this is just making sure that everything is in sync. I'm gonna have to port some stuff from other realms because I was working in other realms. So we need modules. Let me tell Ice, are you down to start publishing the packages from the intro? Modules, it looks like. Phone? Is that real? Phone is yellow, but I don't know if it's just glitching. It's just glitching. It says no changes. YouTube Studio. That also. I seriously doubt he changed anything. This is like the settings as well. Also seems like a glitch. Yeah, these are fine. Okay, so it's just those three then. So that should be pretty easy to go through. Use script changes. So that is fine. That's not my stuff. This is new outfits. That is some debugs for diamonds. This is the new badge. Phone manager. We changed intro place from campus 4 to homepage, which is this. And then weekend turns into campus 4, so they're like switching around a little bit. Do I need to change that anywhere else? I think it should be good. There might be some weird like teleports to weekend that I might need to remove or something. It's just going to teleport to the same place. Should probably look into that. Oh, and then this is the tidy textbooks fix. So that's good. And then this is changing the realm settings for diamonds. Moving it from spawn to weekend. Alright, let me just take a look really quick. I'll just go into play mode. That's the easiest way to test it. See if I need to fix anything. I will name my firstborn Barbie. I thought that was I was gonna say glitch, typo at first. Like for baby Barbie. If you bring back the previous map as a dog. Oh no. Don't let it go to waste. You could make where you interact with everything diamonds as well. What the heck are you talking about? Everything you interact with diamonds? Oopsie. Yep, well, look, there should be too much. Ice says. Oh. Shop is yellow on weekend, but it's yellow when I open. Oh, yeah. I did changes here. To shop. Okay, let's go to the schedule. See, here's this guy. So. We gotta get rid of this. Player GUI. I also remember there being something like in character creation or something. It is getting so dark in my room now. That is the wrong one. Player GUI. This one. I thought I copied this one. Ugh, delayed. I might have put it in the wrong spot, that's why. There we go. Okay. Where is this button? This is in weekend mode switch button, so I think I'd just be able to make this whole... Oh man. I gotta make that invisible and also this background invisible, so where is this? This is just in schedule UI? Yeah, okay. Let me do that in a live. I do love Amazing Rave. Let me see. We went to the Kawaii Rave during TwitchCon. It was super fun. They do like some cute like video game music and stuff, but they like make it electro music and like fast, so you can like dance around to it. Really fun. I think Strawberry was having a good time too because she loves Mario. She says Mario's my best friend. And they were playing like some Mario songs and like some Sonic songs, but they were like cool remixes. Yeah, so I have this too. I still have to figure out something to do with the map. I think I need, let me write that down. I need to put a teleport to the new realms on the map. Even though that I'm contemplating on replacing the map with this guy, but I don't want to make that hasty of a decision right now, so I'm just probably gonna paste those destinations. Teleport to weekend mode, that's what it's called, okay. I'm just gonna like paste those destinations like randomly on the map, even though that it's not gonna look that great. But better than nothing. Teleport, weekend mode. There's a lot of stuff to do, so you gotta be patient with the launching. It's always a lot. So the top text needs to be like that. Okay, now I go to test mode again. Will you ever update the old UI like shop and dress up? Those desperately need updating. Yes. Whoa. Okay. Go to outfits. Okay, that is gone. For weekend mode. I didn't know if I needed to keep it or not, because we're, like, I don't know. I can bring it back easily, it's fine. It's just easier right now. Alright, so let me go back to ice for the packages. I can close this, because I already got what I needed there. Close that. Modules is good otherwise. Dynamo settings, yes. Modules is good otherwise. The biggest change was in Teleport Manager, which just added some stuff needed for... Oh, the music kind of got loud. Which just added some stuff needed for the intro screen. Wouldn't affect anything else. Okay, perfect. So let me... Cool. Let me port my changes in and then I'll publish modules. So the thing that I'm going to port in is all of the new items. So that's exciting. Let me select all and then viable assets. So select all and then replace it and then compare with server just to make sure. So I got the new shoes. I changed the mermaid potion renders to be clearer, so there's a bunch of changes there. Whoa, 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 whoa. I put my elbow on the space bar. Just to watch my It's witch weaves. Okay. This is good. So let me commit this. And then... what is in here? Do I need this to open anymore? I do need to reopen it. I'll just keep it open, it's fine. And then... Diamond Realm settings. Let me just make sure that this has that change, because that's really important. New script changes. Diamond Realm settings, it changes it from that to that. Let me make sure that ID is correct. It is. This is the merge to make the diamonds work in like the new location of the school, because it's not going to be in the spawn anymore. What the heck is all this? Is it just like redoing it because it's glitching? That's fine. Okay. Is dress up models in here? I'll have to port those if... they are. So let me do that really quick. Dress up models. Copy paste all of these. These are the actual models for the new items. You technically won't see them in the intro, but I think it would cause errors on our end if we did not port. Hi, Luna has dreams. What's up? Hey, Lisa and Danny Eager. Thank you so much for subbing. Galaxia Starling. That's really pretty. Thank you so much for subbing. It's working, right? What the heck's going on? What? Okay, let me make sure the new items are there. Gothic boots. Not technically the name, but it's the hard-coded name. Yeah, they're there. Okay. So let me save to Roblox and close it and reopen it. And then we'll keep going through the packages in here and make sure we properly ported everything. Global is out of sync. Why? Oh, this is the wrong place.